Here at Western Volkswagen we have over 500 cars, and whether it's petrol, diesel or electric, there's a car for you. Here we have a Volkswagen Golf Mark 7 SE Nav 1.5 litre TSI 130 PS. Now the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include adaptive cruise control with front assist, ultrasonic front and rear parking sensors, automatic LED headlights and an electronic parking brake with autohold. It also comes with 16-inch Linus alloy wheels, as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes an 8-inch touchscreen display, wireless app connect and a multi-device interface with USB. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.